In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Shopify Activity Log on desktop. If you manage a store with multiple staff, the Activity Log is your quick way to see who changed what and when. It's built right into the Shopify admin and is perfect for reviewing things like product edits, deletions, settings changes, or app installs. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin on a desktop browser. This feature is designed for the desktop layout, so it's easiest to find there. Once you're in the admin, look to the left sidebar and scroll to the very bottom, where you'll find Settings. Click that. On the Settings page, choose General. Now scroll down until you reach the section labeled Resources. In that section, click Store Activity Log. That opens the activity log. You'll see a chronological list of recent admin actions, with the newest at the top. Each entry shows the date and time the action occurred, who performed it, whether that was a staff member, an app, or a sales channel, and a short description of what happened. For example, you might see that a product was updated, a discount was created, or an app was installed. A few things to know about this view. The activity log in Shopify admin is read only, so you can't change anything from here, and you can't expand entries for more detail. The log also displays a limited history, roughly the most recent 250 actions. So if you're troubleshooting, it helps to check the log as soon as you notice an issue, before older entries roll off the list. There's no export button in this area, so if you need a record for reference, consider capturing a screenshot or copying the text you need. Because timestamps matter, make sure you're aware of your store's time zone in settings so you can line up activity with other events, like order times or app notifications. And if multiple people work in your store, encourage everyone to use their own staff login so the Who field remains meaningful in this log. When you're finished reviewing, you can use your browser's back button or return to settings to continue working in the admin. That's all there is to it. By knowing where the store activity log lives and what it shows, you'll save time tracking down changes and keep your operations running smoothly. Remember, this page is for visibility, not for undoing changes, so use it to pinpoint when something happened and who initiated it, then take action elsewhere as needed. If something looks off, the log gives you a head start to coordinate with your team and resolve it quickly.